Hi, I'm Madan Kumar working in Spyro Solution as a .NET developer. Let's move on. And this topic is secure ordered bucketization. We propose a ordered bucketization technique. It is a cryptographic object. In ordered bucketization, plain text space is divided into p disjoint buckets in numbered from 1 to p based on the order of the ranges that they cover. Ordered bucketization is quite useful in that range of query can be performed over encrypted data without the need to decrypt by attaching a bucket number to each ciphertext. In the existing concept, focus on the range queries and a bucketization based approach to support them in a DAS model. In the bucketization approach, an attribute domain is a partition into set of buckets and each of which identified by a tag. These bucket tags are maintained as an index and are utilized by the server to process the queries. The system does not consider the privacy threats arising from the creation of bucketization based on indices to support the range queries. And the existing system using the order preserving encryption. And the drawbacks of the existing system is does not consider the security and privacy issues during the encryption phase. In proposing concept with bucketization, including the ordered bucketization, various type of SQL queries over the encrypted data are possible if the bucket number which correspond to the original plain text before the encryption is attached to each encrypted data. The database server searches all the encrypted data whose bucket number is one of the received numbers. The server then sends the data back to the client. The client can obtain the correct results by filtering out the data they are not range after the decryption. The proposed technique is using the encryption with ordered bucketization. In advantage of our system is that efficiently supports the range queries and preserving the high level security compared to existing methods. EOB supports the any version of IN and OCPCA. This is the overall structure of the ordered bucketization technique. The user sends the original data. It will be encrypted and stored into the database with using the bucket number. Suppose the user want to know the original data, user send to the bucket number to the admin will send to the own data to the users. This software requirements, operating system Windows 7 and front end is we are using the Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2010 and coding language C# and backend is the SQL Server 2008. In future concept, a secure ordered bucketization is multi-dimensional space will be examined by analyzing the bucketization scheme. It will support the multi-dimensional range queries over the encrypted data.